in the park. In the city, in the park. Fountain's on. See? Right? But just living waters with Yeshua and Father. Look at this beautiful park. Squirrels, rabbits, raccoons, ducks, geese, gooses, and trees, and birds. All type of birds. Those blue jays and cardinals are so fidgety. They never sit still, so I never have too much about pictures of them because they're so fidgety. I've seen a cardinal guy have cardinals come right up to him, even blue jays too, in the truck. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I think so. I want to play frisbee. I'll be like, score with the frisbee. You know, they sometimes throw frisbees inside those things, and it's like a score. They have to throw them in the net. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. Power, unlimited power.